Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing the unboxing of the Apexel lens kit. It's a pack that has 10 lenses and they all come in this package. Yes, I have it at Gadget, so I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of what is inside the box. Okay, let's unbox and see. So we have a bag. Let's open the bag and see. Let's open the bag and see. Yup, this is the lens kit. So we have this long lens. This is a telephoto lens, of course. And we have these other lenses also. Let me just get the camera a bit closer. We have this. Then we have this lens. I hope you can read. Low filter lens. Then we have wide angle and macro lens. Then we have kaleidoscope. Okay. Then we have the radio filter lens. Sorry, they're upside down. Then we have the star filter lens. Okay. Then we have a CPL phone lens. Then we have lastly the what? Supposed to be the fisheye. I'm thinking. Yeah, fisheye. I'll do another video where I show you each lens does. I'll do another video showing you what each lens does. This is a telephoto. So yeah, that's what's in the package. Okay, watch out for part 2.